Good morning, colleagues. Here Zimbabwe joins the rest of the world in commemorating International Day of Peace today on the 21st of September 2021. The International Day of Peace comes against the background of the globe that has been ravaged by the COVID pandemic, which has exposed vast inequalities in our societies. In this commemoration, we are guided by the Sustainable Development Goal number 16, which specifically seeks to promote peaceful and inclusive societies for sustainable development by providing justice for all and building effective, accountable, and transparent institutions. In our commemoration in Zimbabwe, we are guided by 5 indicators. Indicator number 1 is the reduction of all forms of violence. As we commemorate the International Day of Peace in Zimbabwe, while we can record a reduction in direct cases of direct violence, Zimbabwe still remains victim and hostage to structural violence, where citizens are denied access to social services on the basis of their political affiliation, especially in the rural communities that we work in. Even as we talk about the reduction of all forms of violence, the number of violations that have taken place pre, post-independence have not been dealt with. So we have a society that is grieving, a society that is hurting, a society that is living in negative peace. So we call upon the National Peace and Reconciliation Commission to deal with the issues of past human rights violations if we're going to have a peaceful society in Zimbabwe. Indicator number 2 is the rule of law. A society that is peaceful is a society that respects the rule of law, where everyone is equal before the law and no one is above the law. We cannot say the same in our country called Zimbabwe, where citizens have lost confidence in state institutions that are supposed to protect the rights of citizens, where the Constitution of Zimbabwe that was voted for in 2013, the new Constitution, is not respected and followed as the expectations of citizens. We've seen the amendment of the Constitution to the detriment of constitutionalism in our country.
Yeah.
So as we celebrate the International Day of Peace today in Zimbabwe, at U Zimbabwe, we call upon the citizens of Zimbabwe to remain peaceful, to engage respectfully with each other, to celebrate the diversity of opinions and ideas of our people, and at the same time to hold state institutions to account. As we head towards the 2023 elections, we want to exercise the ghost of violence and allow our citizens to exercise their democratic right without fighting or killing each other. There is no politician or citizen who's worth dying for. It is a time and an opportunity to hold the politicians that want to be elected to account on the basis of the policies, the ideas of getting our country forward. Call upon all citizens to call for peace. We ask the young people to register to vote and the old people to register to vote, because voting is the most peaceful way of participating in the development of your own country. So let's participate peacefully, let's celebrate peace and maintain it. It is your responsibility, it is my responsibility, it is our collective responsibility to have a peaceful Zimbabwe. Let's do away with negative peace, let's have positive peace. Diversity is a strength. Diverse in our plurality to overcome adversity. Happy Peace Day, Zimbabweans.